Hello students, today we will discuss about the electric field due to the dipole. So let us first of all we have to identify what is the dipole. When a system is taken having equal magnitude of charges but opposite in nature and placed at a very small displacement, that is 2L. So here our assumption is this system is dipole because it contains the mod q charges on their ends and the displacement in between the charges are very less with respect to the point where we have to evaluate the electric field. Let us suppose that at axial position P we have to evaluate the electric field intensity, and from this center let the distance be small r. So the distance from this end will be a total displacement r, and this is small l, so r minus l, and from here the total distance is r and plus l, r plus l. We know that electric field on a certain area bearing with force F is equal to EQ, means E is equal to F divided by Q, and at a certain points due to the charge Q having the distance R, evaluation of electric field intensity is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 Q by R square in air or vacuum medium. So we can evaluate the electric field intensity at the point P created by positive charge and negative charge having distance r minus l and r plus l. So first of all we have to evaluate which electric field is greater. If we assume the positive charge Q creates at the point P electric field E1, and the minus Q charge creates here the electric field E2, then E is proportional to 1 by R square, means this charge has less displacement, so higher electric field intensity, then E1 will be greater with respect to the E2. Now we have to find out the magnitude of E1 and E2. Then electric field intensity due to charge plus Q, evaluation E1 is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 Q by R minus L square, and the electric field intensity due to the charge minus q at the certain point P, E2 is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 q by displacement r plus L square. Now we know that the electric field intensity directed from negative to positive. If we are having here a testing charge plus q, then these charges are similar, so repel each other, means at this point the electric field intensity will be on this direction, and here is the negative and positive, means opposite charges attracts each other. Negative charges, this negative charge is attracting the testing charge in this direction, so both the electric field intensity is the opposite vector. So resultant, if resultant be E, then E is equal to E1 difference E2, while E1 is greater than E2. Let us here evaluate. E1 difference E2 is equal to E, means 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 q by r minus L whole square, difference 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 q divided by r plus L whole square. On taking common 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 outside the bracket and also q, then 1 upon r minus L whole square, difference 1 upon r plus L whole square, again r, q divided by 4 pi epsilon 0, LCM will be r square minus L square whole square. On dividing this, we will find r plus L whole square, and breaking r square plus L square plus 2rl minus r square plus L square minus 2rl ultimately implies that q divided by 4 pi epsilon 0 r square minus L square whole square, r square plus L square plus 2rl, on breaking the bracket, minus r square minus L square plus 2rl. Here r square cancel r square, L square cancel L square, 2rl plus 2rl is equal to 4rl. Now we have to find what will the aggregate value. Then E is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 q. Here 4rl divided by r square minus L square whole square. This is the approximate electric field intensity created on the point P due to a dielectric pole. Now we have to find out the aggregate value. What will be at the point P? So according to the definition, we have already defined that the displacement between the charges might be more or less than the point where we have to find out the electric field intensity at the point. So we can say L is more or less than R, so we can omit the square digits of L. So E is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0, and on keeping Q in the bracket, Q into 4 is as 2 into 2, or L divided by, where L square is equal to 0 means R power 4, and 1 power of R will be cancelled from R power 4, then E is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 Q into 2L into 2 divided by R cube. And we know the multiplication of one charge and the displacement between the charges QL is equal to the P, that is 4 star Q. Then putting the value of P at the point Q into 2L, E is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 2P divided by R cube. This is the ultimate formula to find out the electric field intensity created by an electric dipole at a certain point or moment on axial position. In further video, we will find out the electric field intensity created by electric dipole at the equilateral position. And third will be the revolving position. If any dipole is revolved from theta angle, then what will be the aggregate electric field intensity at a certain point? Thanks.